sterile. Top of the morning to you. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode we're going to make an Irish Ricky and a Gon Tiki cocktail. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake and best tropical destination stories. This is the Staying at Home St. Patrick's Day episode 2021. We're also going to get a bit of takeout from Joyce on 4th to be sure. So thanks for watching. Won't you come for a drink at Chappy's Tiki Bar? Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, this is Mookie. This is the St. Patrick's Day Staying Home 2021 episode. First up, we got a segment called Best Tropical Destination Stories. So if you have any tropical destination stories you want me to read on the show, send them to chappinestikibar@yahoo.com. Now, nobody sent in anything this week, so we're going to do something a little different. Mookie and I are going to reenact a scene from the 1991 film Boyz in the Hood, written and directed by John Singleton. Mookie will be playing the part of Ricky, originally played by Morris Chestnut. I will be playing the part of Trey Styles, originally played by Cuba Gooding Jr. You'll see how this ties into the drink I'm going to make in a minute. Okay, so Mookie's got to get into character. All right, are you ready for your big scene, Mookie? Okay, here we go. Ricky! 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 And scene. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so the point of that is it's a St. Patrick's Day episode, and I'm going to make a Lime Ricky cocktail. I know, Mookie, it was a long way around, but here goes. We're going to make a Lime Ricky cocktail. Get your Leprechaun Hat on straight, Mookie. All right, before I make the drink, I just want to thank all my subscribers out there. Around Christmas time, we hit my 100th subscriber. In a previous episode, I had promised to give my 100th subscriber $100. So I have 100 doll hairs right here. I don't know if I'll count out the doll hairs or I just might mail you the entire doll head. So just send me your details on chappinestikibar.com and you might get a doll head in the mail. All right, so here we go. We're going to do a Irish Ricky. All right, so I still have a tropical glass, so we'll keep it somewhat in the Polynesian pop fashion. So for my Irish whiskey, that's an 1.5 ounces, I have Bushmills. No St. Paddy's Day would be complete for me without a shot of Bushmills at the end of the evening, which I regularly regret. All right, so we'll do 1.5 ounces of Bushmills. And then it said 1 ounce of lime juice. I just got fresh lime here. We'll squeeze her on in. This lime's pretty dry, so we'll give it both halves. And then I got some club soda. And then I have a lime wheel as a garnish, and that is a Lime Ricky. Ricky! 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 All right, so you got to make sure you watch my last year's St. Paddy's Day episode. I made an Irish coffee. I did a fuzzy leprechaun. I showed you how to make green beer just like they do in the bar. Straighten your leprechaun hat out, Mookie. And I did corned beef and cabbage. I did green eggs and Spam. And then I did my world famous Guinness Irish stew. All in one episode. I'll put the link up in the corner there. Make sure you watch that. That was last year's St. Paddy's Day episode. This is the 2021 St. Patrick's Day episode where we stay at home. Last year, my friend and I, for St. Patrick's Day, we went to Joyce on 4th, and that's in my previous video as well. So I think this year, Mookie and I will go back to Joyce on 4th, only we'll get takeout and bring it back here. But before that, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. So we'll do the Appies with Chappy by the lake, and then we'll go out to Joyce on 4th and get some takeout and bring it back here. So stay tuned for that. Oh, what's that, Mookie? Oh, I almost forgot. Mookie says, Happy St. Patrick's Day and top of the morning to ya.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha and welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. It's a little smoky out today. There's the fires in California and the smoke just moved on up. But we're going to have Appies with Chappy by the lake anyhow. I steamed some nice pot stickers in my bamboo steamer. And of course we need a drink to go with our appetizer. So I'm going to do a beverage called Gon Tiki. This is from Frankies Tiki Room in Las Vegas. It says Gon Tiki, Gon spelled G-O-N, a brisk vagabond refresher for the pit stops on the Tiki road trip you've been meaning to take. Don't drink too many or you'll never make it out of Frankie's. Alright, so we'll get started on the Gon Tiki. I have my Tiki mug, already have some ice in it. It calls for 1 ounce of rum. We'll give it a nice healthy ounce. A ½ ounce of orange curacao. I will substitute Cointreau. It's a orange liqueur as well, and that was a ½ ounce. And a dash of Angostura bitters. And then it says 2 ounces of POG. POG stands for Passion Orange Guava Juice. Hawaiian Sun makes a nice passion orange guava juice. Fortunately, we're in Canada, so we don't get a lot of the passion orange guava juice from Hawaiian Sun up here in Canada. So I will substitute by putting in passion fruit juice, orange juice, and guava juice. So it says 2 ounces of that. I'll just kind of eyeball it. Got a shot of OJ. A little bit of guava and passion fruit juice. Okay, and 2 ounces of club soda. Some nice Canada Dry club soda. And then it says ½ ounce of Chambord. Chambord is a raspberry liqueur. That's a little more than ½ ounce, but we'll give it a try. Oh, and then we got a ½ ounce of lime juice. And that is a Gon Tiki. So I have a nice garnish, and it's a little smoky, so we're going to go inside. I'm going to take my steamed pot stickers and my Gon Tiki, and that's Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm at Joyce on 4th. I'll put the address up on the screen there. Obviously, it's on 4th. So I'm just going to do my pickup. I got very specific instructions. I'm going to go into the back. I'm supposed to go into the back alley and pick it up, but there's actually a parkade behind Joyce on 4th. Oh, they got all kinds of signs. It says curbside pickup, side back door. So I guess we'll go looking for the side back door. But we got, I did a little sort of Irish theme to my takeout. I got a Celtic Club and some Irish nachos, which is like lattice cut potatoes done up like nachos. Mookie decided to have the halibut and chips and a French onion soup. And then just for the heck of it, I got some chicken wings too. So gonna go pick that up and take it back to my bar. It actually is in the parkade. So it's just the curbside pickup. You hit the buzzer, and there it is. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This was the St. Patrick's Day 2021 Staying at Home edition. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll be reminded of our videos, and make sure you give us a like. This is Mookie, and I'm Chappy, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Ricky! Happy St. Patrick's Day, Mookie. Do 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 do.